Today, we will walk you through the memory installation process of the DELL PowerEdge R7525 rack server. This server supports AMD EPYC series processors and provides 32 DDR4 memory slots. It also supports configurations up to a maximum of 8 TB of memory when using certified NEMIX RAM upgrades. This server is compatible with the following NEMIX RAM modules: 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB DDR4 ECC RDIMM and LRDIMM running at 3200 MHz. These modules are specifically designed to meet the requirements of the DELL PowerEdge R7525 rack server, ensuring optimal performance and stability. Additionally, NEMIX RAM offers a lifetime warranty for all memory upgrades, giving you peace of mind with every installation. We offer memory kits in the following configurations: single modules, 2 module kits, 4 module kits, 8 module kits, and 16 module kits. Today, we will be upgrading the system with 256 GB modules to reach the maximum memory capacity of 8 TB.